The Yamaha PSREW310 Keyboard Bundle is an excellent choice for beginners and serious learners, featuring 76 touch-sensitive keys that offer a wide range of musical expression. With its USB-to-host connectivity, this keyboard seamlessly integrates with your computer or iOS devices, providing endless opportunities for musical creativity and education. The inclusion of Super Articulation Lite Voices allows for highly expressive and realistic sound, enhancing the overall playing experience with nuances like string scratches and guitar slides. The advanced wave memory dynamic stereo sampling technology reproduces the rich and dynamic sound of acoustic instruments, making this keyboard stand out in its class. Onboard lesson functions, such as the innovative Touch Tutor, provide valuable learning tools that complement traditional piano lessons, making practice more engaging and effective. For added fun and versatility, the keyboard includes an aux input for connecting portable music players, along with a melody suppressor feature that supports play-along and karaoke sessions.